This is how you make the perfect WEETBIX. You will need WEETBIX, milk, raw sugar, a spoon, honey / golden syrup, and a bowl. Get the bowl and the WEETBIX. Put as many as you would like in there, making sure that your bowl is big enough to put both of them in there. Close the box like you would usually. Just close it, shove this underneath the tab. Then, grab your milk. Pour it until it's down over the top. Like so. Grab your sugar. Or sprinkle a little bit over the whole entire WEETBIX. You can have as much for your taste as you would like. Then, last but not least, grab your honey and put a roll of it. Hold on a second. To make it perfect. Then sprinkle a little bit on, like I said earlier. Gonna leave that sitting like that next time. Then grab your spoon, and then you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications because I'm lazy and I don't want to. And see you in the next video. Peace.